Guys, we're here in Daniel Chicken YouTube channel, so we're gonna talk about chicken. What like if you have $1 and then you could go buy yourself like a treat for them. So that's their playground. They sometimes eat ant from there because there's so much ants right there.
So we're gonna have to remove
the ants.
Yeah, we're gonna have to remove it.
We're gonna remove it tomorrow because
it's getting deadly. There's more ants every day.
Yeah. So that's where they sleep. Not sleep. Playground. Mostly they eat ants up there. You see, look. Oh, I thought he was gonna eat. And right here they sleep because that's their favorite corner. That's where they feed treats. Those treats, they like it. And then you could buy this peacock food. It's good for chickens too. They carry grain, seeds, and others. He sometimes gives them treats, and he gives food in that bowl. That's where they get in if like something is wrong or the dogs are trying to get in. Yeah. Basically.
Oh, you see this hole right there?
Oh.
That's where they lay down. Sometimes they lay down when it's too hot.
Oh yeah, when it's too hot.
Oh, on this board right here.
Oh yes, this board. This board, they could
climb on it. And play with it.
Yeah, like they'll jump sometimes and get stuck up in there with their legs. We probably have 4 or so roosters, and then we're gonna get more hens, because what happens if
they fight?
Yeah, they fight.
They could kill each other.
Yeah, they could kill each other. And we're getting eggs. Like, the eggs sometimes are getting expensive.
Yeah,
just like for a 16 pack, like $17 or so.
Yeah.
Oh, each day we clean it out, that spider web, but today we couldn't because today we had cousins over, and then we have family and friends, and we're gonna show you our ducks and our dogs. Okay, here's our ducks. That's not abusing them because finish it off.
Okay, because they like swampy and dirty areas to swim in.
Yeah, when we change the water, like an hour or so, when we come back outside, it's dirty. They like the dirty water. These ducks, her wing, this random dog jumped over our fence and then ripped the fence. They got in, and then they attacked bunnies and her. Luckily,
she didn't die.
She didn't die. And what was that word? What's that word, Jenny? When what's it called? We helped the wings, but luckily she's alive. We kept her inside.
And they're scared of us because they're traumatized.
Yeah, because of the dog.